Today is our second full day exploring Tokyo. Also, this video was filmed on Halloween, so you'll hear us mention that a couple of times throughout the video. Let's just jump right in. We are at 7-Eleven right now. I've got a chicken cutlet sandwich for breakfast with an apple Danish and orange juice.
Phenomenal.
What's that one? Blueberry?
Cheesecake blueberry.
Oh man, that sounds good. Oh, you got the same thing as me?
I got the same thing as you.
I hope it's good.
Got some protein.
Drew's up there directing us through the station. Oh, we go through here? All right. This one? Our first stop of the day is Shinjuku Gyoen National Garden, but we didn't realize it doesn't actually open until 9 and arrived a bit early. So we decided to explore a bit around the area to kill some time. Hey Drew, how was navigating in the subway?
I got lucky and I had the easiest route that we've probably taken thus far.
But it wasn't that bad though, right?
Not at all. We had quite a few stops. I think that's the most stops we've had. I need to get educated so I can travel on the way back home safely.
Yeah, and so you can come next year with your wife.
And child.
And maybe child, hopefully child.
It's gonna be funny watching this video next year and still having no kids.
We got all the Japanese people passing, going to school. We were talking like they did look so chill, and now every time I say something, there'll be somebody running in the background. As soon as I say they look so chill. I wanna see somebody run into school with a piece of bread hanging out of their mouth like they do in anime. You know what I'm talking about? We found the biggest line of vending machines we've seen so far. This one has ice cream in it. This one's got ramen in it. Nate, what are you buying?
I think it's apple juice.
You don't know.
It looks like apple juice. It's got a big old apple on it. I don't know, I bought something with a big old lemon on it, really thinking it was lemon juice, and it was like a gel. It was weird.
Really?
A gel.
Was
yeah,
it meant
it's in
to be
my bag.
eaten?
Like gelatin?
Yeah, it's like a protein-like gel.
Oh, energy jelly.
Energy jelly, that's what, yeah.
We made it back just as the park was about to open. Shinjuku Gyoen is a large, beautiful garden that was originally a residence of the Naito family in the Edo period. It later became a garden under the management of the Japan Imperial Household Agency. It features multiple little ponds, a greenhouse, and is really popular for viewing cherry blossoms in spring or the fall colors in autumn. That's actually why we came here to begin with, but unfortunately I mistimed Tokyo's fall season and the park was still mostly green. They have little IC card things. You can use your Suica card. Boop, boop, just come straight in. This place looks huge. So the traditional garden, it says, is this way. So I want to see the traditional garden first. Looks like Nate got us a map too. In English?
Nope.
So we are currently in the Taiwan Pavilion. I think the view from the other side is probably the best because everyone's taking pictures of us right now. Oh yeah, that's what we looked like up there.
Yeah.
Guys, over here across this little pond, that's a Starbucks. It's a really unique looking Starbucks. The park is beautiful, guys. I think I might have liked the smaller one near the Airbnb better because it was so condensed and just had so much beautiful stuff everywhere. But this is so big and spread out and we haven't seen it all yet, for sure. Also, I'm kind of half whispering because it's really quiet in this park everywhere. We noticed that Nate was the loudest person talking and had to quiet down. No, you're fine now. Yeah, but he quieted down now. We're all good. I just noticed it. I was standing there like, I can hear Nate from far away and I can't hear anybody else. All right, we've made our way to the greenhouse. We're gonna head in there now. It looks pretty cool.
Your sinuses.
I forgot to take my allergy pill today. It's right in my bag. Maybe I should take it really quick, honestly. The humidity level in this greenhouse, it seriously reminds me of when I lived in the Philippines. The smell as well, there's something about it. Like if I close my eyes, I'm in the Philippines. This thing looks like something from like the prehistoric era, bro. Like it was out there with the dinosaurs.
You don't tell me what to do.
Literally when I saw that, I was like, that sign's for people like Nate. Right in front of the cactus area, they put a sign, beware of slipping. Guys, there's a hawk moth down here. I've never seen one before. It looks like a mix between a bug and a hummingbird. I'm almost positive these are ginkgo trees. In about 2 weeks, they're gonna be beautifully bright gold. We're just too early, man. Fall in Japan is set later than in the US.
20 minutes later.
Nate bought, it looks like French fries in a
They
bag.
are literally French fries in a bag.
Does it taste like a French fry?
Hard to describe.
It's in the shape of a fry. And it tastes like a Ruffles potato chip.
That's a good way to put it.
It absolutely does. What is that? But you got some other potato chips.
You try these. Good.
It's good, Drew? This just looks like a Pringle, bro.
Exactly what it is.
Those aren't bad.
Dude, that's a barbecue Pringle. Okay, I got a macaron. That's really good. I got this one as well. It's pretty good. It's like bread on the outside and then like a jello-y pudding, Jello brand chocolate flavored pudding. Our next stop for the day was Shibuya. If any part of Tokyo could be called downtown Tokyo, it's probably Shibuya. It's one of the biggest and most famous commercial wards in the entire country, featuring shops, restaurants, parks, and of course, the world famous Shibuya Scramble, which is considered to be the busiest pedestrian crossing in the entire world. It's been featured in numerous movies, TV shows, and video games, so you've probably seen it before. We were really lucky actually. Our exit was really easy from the train that we took, so we didn't have to explore that much. The Shibuya crossing is right here, literally right here. We're not gonna see it well from down here. We gotta go up somewhere. This is it. This is the busiest crossing in the world, guys. And there's a Gurren Lagann poster over there. So sick. Hachiko is blocked off, dude.
At least we think that's Hachiko.
I'm almost positive that's him in there. There are signs everywhere, literally all over the place that say no Halloween events for Shibuya. No Halloween events on Shibuya streets. So this is where we were originally gonna come tonight because, you know, you come to Shibuya for Halloween, but not this year. All right, if you guys watched my Korea series, you know that I'm in love with Mom's Touch. That sounds weird to say, but it's a fast food place. They have a pop-up store here in Shibuya, which is crazy that we just happen to be here during this time. It's their first time ever extending outside of Korea, and I'm hyped about it, man. I'm super hyped. I hope you guys are gonna like it.
A few moments later.
Yep, it tastes the same. It's got the yum sauce on there, and the burger's great, of course.
It's pretty good. I wish it was spicier.
Yeah, it's actually not as spicy as it is in Korea. I think they lessen the spice for Japan. What do you think, Drew?
Very good.
It's good?
I wish it was spicier too.
Yeah. TJ still doesn't have his. There's a Ava arcade here. It's all themed Ava, and they're playing the Ava opening, so I better stop filming. Actually, that wasn't an arcade. It was a pachinko parlor. And Nate was trying to play it, but he didn't realize it's more complicated than you think. They got Godzilla now showing, all in Japanese.
Dude, we got. Dude.
Is it all in Japanese, bro?
I have to sneak out this week.
This is what I want to see. This one.
What is that? Oh, the boy.
That's the that's the last Ghibli movie.
Why can't we see it here?
Because it's all in Japanese, bro.
I don't understand it.
There's no subtitles.
Bro, I close my eyes and just absorb the
That's gonna make it worse. You don't see it. I'm really starting to feel like I'm at a con, Drew, because there's so many people and you just hear anime music. Okay, so right now we're following the instructions of an Instagram reel on how to get the best view of Shibuya Scramble Crossing. So we're looking for a store right now called Magnet. Oh, I see it. It's huge. Okay, easy to find. We're gonna head in there and then figure out what to do next. We're gonna take the elevator to the top. So we're going to the top, guys. That says Mag's Park. Obviously, this is a beautiful view, but I do want to warn you that when we went, there was an entrance fee of 1,500 yen, and online it says that's up to 1,800 currently. You do get a drink with that, but I still think this is a bit expensive just for a view and a drink. One Piece, the boys! We were leaving and saw a sign that said there's another Mugiwara store here, so we're gonna check it out. About to get stuck in the crossing. What?
Breaking the law.
No, we're good. We're good. We decided to go to Don Quixote, especially since some people helped point us in the right direction. It's just down here. You can't miss the sign. My student I was with the other day said she hates the song in there. Oh, there's Mario Kart. That's the one that all the locals hate. Don't do that if you come here. Sorry for the people who run that business, but...
Among Us. I am sus.
So I filmed a tiny bit, but then I was stopped and told we aren't allowed to film in Don Quixote, so that's why I can't show much now. Just know this is an absolutely massive discount store. Kind of like Dollar Tree in the US, but so much bigger and better. The one we visited literally had 8 floors. Once we finished there, we went back to the Airbnb and took a little break before heading out for the evening. Hello. Alright, it's hours later. We are in Ikebukuro. No, we're going straight in this way. We made it to Ikebukuro. This is where I came my first night here. I know this place like the back of my hand. I'm hoping there might be some people here for Halloween. There were the day I was here. So let's see.
Got our fingers crossed.
Got them crossed, got my toes crossed, everything's crossed. Is that Shanks? Shanks is in there, bro, just chilling.
Sunshine City, I love it.
We found a place to eat. Mine said it's pretty spicy.
We compromised.
We're gonna see if it's spicy. Yeah, we had a compromise. Nate wanted
Sushi.
I wanted katsudon. And then, yeah, Drew doesn't want ramen because yesterday he had some that he didn't like.
Subpar.
Yeah, it was great. It was amazing, dude. These guys are crazy. But he hated it so much, he has banned ramen for the rest of his trip.
No, that's not gonna happen. We're gonna have ramen again. At some point, we're gonna have ramen again.
I said you banned ramen for the rest of the trip.
For me, you guys
for
can
him.
handle it. I can't.
Can handle it.
Bye. Damn, don't break it.
All right, this looks really spicy. I'm not sure. How's yours, TJ?
Really good.
Nate, how's yours?
I'm about to take a bite. It's pretty good. That was pork. There's beef and then the broth.
That's the spiciest thing I've had in Japan, by far. It's great.
Ooh.
You want that Dragon Ball?
Let's do that.
Low key.
It's only 100.
This is the one where you hold it until you want it to stop.
Move it with
you
that.
move that around.
Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. All right, here we go.
You're good on this side.
I think you just got it.
No, I don't got it.
You just got it, boy.
You got it.
Ladies and gentlemen.
We got him.
Bro, that's some weak grip right there.
Does he look lined up, Nate?
Back up
Further.
Right there.
Yeah. This is it.
You're not gripped at all on that side. Oh, you bastard. I literally went like this.
No, back up. A little more. Right there. Yep. That'll make it flip that way.
I should have been putting it back.
Oh, no, you didn't. No, you didn't.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't think that's it. It's too far forward now.
Sorry, guys.
Oh! Wait,
You
give me.
can get that. You can get that. Right there.
Am I lined up on this end?
Yeah, you're good right there.
This is it. This is it, boys.
Oh, damn it.
Oh, we're not far enough back.
No, you got it.
Come on. No. Come on, Yamato. Let's go.
How much money have we put in this? 300?
We're at 500 now. A little more back. Tiny bit more back. Okay. We're risking this. Okay.
Yeah, this is risky biscuit.
This is really risky right now, Nick.
Oh, maybe you should have went a little bit further. No, that's perfect.
I think that's good. That's good.
Fall forward.
That's it.
You're good.
Oh, they cheating, y'all. They cheating, y'all, today.
Damn, that's
You going for one more?
It's not even close anymore. We're done.
We're done.
Someone's gonna come walk up and get that in one try now.
No.
Oh.
He's go hungry somewhere.
We're all learning what it's like to have a gambling addiction right now. I can't continue. All right, we found the arcade legit. They're in Mario Kart right now. Can you guys race each other? Dang, bro, are you gonna race?
I'm gonna sit over here.
All right, I'll race. Where are we racing? You're both Mario? You boys are done. You guys are done. Here's how we go. Oh, shoot. Whoa. Woohoo! What's up, baby? Suck it. Guys, that was actually really fun. I had a good time. That was worth 100 years. Is anything happening?
No, not yet.
Well, we pressed this button.
Hold on. Now we push it.
Oh. Nate, but what does it do when you win?
You get the ball.
You get the ball. I want you to exchange the ball for something?
I think so.
Guys, Nate acts like he knows what he's doing here, but I'm not sure. I think Nate's gonna get 100. Nice.
There you go.
That was fast. That was fast. Next time we escape the hustle and bustle of the city for a day in the mountains. It'll be our first time experiencing a more rural side of Japan. You won't want to miss it. Only here on We Wonder Japan. Keep wondering.